Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by diagnosing the marker. Test it on scrap paper to confirm minimal flow and inspect the tip for hardened ink. Once done, remove the cap and separate any detachable parts. Make sure to work over a protected surface. Pour a small amount of rubbing alcohol or water into the container, alcohol for permanent inks, water for water-based. You'll need a syringe or dropper ready. This preparation shortens trial and error and sets you up to revive the ink quickly. Now you rehydrate the core so the ink can move again. Start by applying 2 to 4 drops of solvent directly to the marker tip and wait 30 to 90 seconds so the fibers absorb fluid. If that fails, carefully inject a small volume into the barrel with a syringe to reach the ink reservoir. This forces solvent into dried areas. After soaking, press the tip on scrap paper repeatedly to encourage flow. Make sure to blot and repeat the soak until you get steady performance. To finish, flush the tip and reservoir with clean solvent until the color looks consistent, then test on scrap paper to confirm normal saturation. If your marker allows, refill the reservoir with fresh ink or a compatible ink solvent mix. This restores pressure balance and longevity. Once functional, reassemble and let the marker rest upright for a few minutes. If flow remains poor, replace the felt tip or repeat the soak. If the barrel or mechanism is warped, it's time to discard and replace the marker.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.